Alright, so there's going to be a Phillips screw on each side. Go ahead and remove that. And then let's get these other two screws. Might have to scoot your seat back. And get the one on the other side. And you can just kind of wiggle up on it. This piece partially overlaps it, so you just have to wiggle. Then to remove this knob, just twist it counterclockwise. It can help to remove this piece as well. There'll either be screws or rivets here, so you'll want to remove those. Then this pulls out of place. Then go ahead and remove the 4 Phillips screws. You have to peel the carpet back here a little bit. Go ahead and remove those 4. And this plate will come off. You just have to pry it. Sometimes it's a little sticky. This one can be hard to remove, but you just gotta twist. And this slides off. And this slides off too. It's just rubber. Best thing to do is just pull up on it. Sometimes when you're removing it, it gets a little stuck, but you just gotta slide that rubber over the metal piece. That finally slid out of there, so now you just want to tuck that in and pop it back out. Next, there's going to be 8 bolts you remove, 4 for the shifter, 4 for the differential shifter, in all 4 corners. It's going to be a 12mm socket. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. To get these other ones, some people cut away the frame. Wouldn't recommend that, so you can just get in there with a really small wrench and some swivels. And sometimes they're hard to see, but they're just covered in dirt, so you just got to dig them out a little bit. With all 4 bolts out, go ahead and just lift straight up. Sometimes you might have to shift it. And that's what it looks like inside.